iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Electioneering is at its peak in Uttar Pradesh as the state will go to the polls in the early months of 2022 to elect 403 members of the Legislative Assembly. With permutations and combinations among the contesting party taking shape as only a few months are left for the much crucial UP Assembly election, the ABP News along with C Voter conducted a survey to understand the sentiments of voters in the poll-bound state. As per the survey, in the first week of November, Yogi Adityanath-led BJP is still the favourite among the voters, while the Samajwadi Party under the leadership of Akhilesh Yadav is gaining some ground as Mayawati's BSP is on the sliding side. Here is a look at the findings of the survey conducted in the first week of November for a deeper understanding of the voters' mood. In the 2017 UP Assembly polls, BJP was able to wrest 41.4% of the votes, while incumbent SP was able to garner only 23.6% of the votes. BSP was restricted at 22.2%. As per the new projections in November, BJP is not likely to lose voter confidence as it remains at 40.7% among the survey participants, a marginal negative swing of 0.7% since 2017. It appears from the ABPC voter survey that BSP's voter share percentage loss is gain for the SP. The Congress, with an aggressive stance under General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, is making some progress among the voters' minds as there is an uptick of 2.6% as compared to the 2017 election. BJP emerged victorious in the last UP Assembly elections in 2017, gaining 325 seats in the 403-member Assembly. While SP retained only 48 seats, BSP was able to capture 19 seats and Congress only 7 Assembly seats. The picture is still golden for the ruling BJP as the ABP News C Voter survey done in the first month of November suggests the seats range for them will be 213 to 221 in this time around. Akhilesh Yadav's SP will make huge gains as the seat projected range for them in the upcoming UP Assembly polls is between 152 and 160. The survey was carried out in 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Goa and Manipur, with a sample size of 107,193. The margin error according to the ABP was +3% to +5%. The survey shows that the BJP seats are expected to come down from 325 in 2017 to something in the range of 213 to 221 in the UP Assembly election scheduled to be held early next year. But it is still in clear lead. The Election Commission is expected to announce the poll schedule in January. The SP is projected to win 152 to 160 seats in the state elections next year, while the BSP is expected to win 16 to 20 seats. In the last election, it won 19 seats. The BJP is also likely to capture 40.7% of the votes, marginally down from its 2017 number of 41.4%, according to the survey. The Congress is also gaining some ground under the leadership of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, shows the ABPC voter survey, which shows that it is an expected uptick of 2.7% in the vote share as compared to the party's 2017 performance. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScope Media.